It's cold out here, but I am nice and warm with this hat and gaiter. This is a heated gaiter and hat. So this is two different products made by the same company. The gaiter itself actually has a battery in it, and then it's definitely got three different heating modes. So red is the hottest, blue, and then white is the least hot. This has a heating element in it, so it keeps your neck and whatever you have it on real warm. Now the hat also has a heating pad in it, so there's a heating pad in here for your ears. So it basically radiates heat over down by your ears and then goes up in the hat and stays up there and keeps your head real warm. Also looks really neat, I think. You can clip it on so it doesn't blow away, and it also comes with this additional, like, almost looks like a mask that you can put on. I'll show you the battery system. Battery system in both units is the same. So I left the battery compartment open, but you can zip it closed. If you pull the battery out of here, you get power into this battery by using a USB-C. So you can see here it clips in right there. And this one has the same setup with a little compartment there. So this would be a complete like head neck solution. This is the battery that it has. And you can see it has an indicator there to tell you how much power is in there. Obviously mine is charged up. So this is an awesome little system. Everyone will be jealous that you have this. This was being used yesterday by my son at a football game, and he was very happy to have it. He didn't want to use it. Then once he brought it, he was very, very happy that he did. So this is something I just highly recommend. This battery powered heating stuff is just awesome, especially the older I get, the colder I get. So I really appreciate this stuff. You see right there, it's real simple. You just plug it in and do that. So I'm just telling you, I am very happy that I got this. This one has the control, this one has the control here right on the side. So that's the highest setting, medium setting, lowest setting. I mean, what more do you want?